In today's lesson, we'll explore working with data, editing and formatting in Excel 2019. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that helps you organize, analyze, and present data clearly. However, raw data can often be messy or difficult to understand. That's why editing and formatting are so important. They allow you to correct mistakes, improve readability, and make your data look neat and professional. With these skills, your worksheets become not only accurate, but also easy to read and visually appealing. Working with data, editing and formatting in Excel 2019. In Microsoft Excel, managing data effectively involves more than simply typing numbers into cells. To present data clearly in an organized and visually appealing way, Excel offers a wide range of editing and formatting tools. In this chapter, you will learn how to enhance your worksheets using features such as wrapping text, rotating cell content, merging cells, and applying borders. You will also explore how to insert or delete rows and columns, format cells using different styles, and use autofill to quickly complete patterns. Additionally, you'll be introduced to formulas and the auto-sum function to perform basic calculations. All these tools are essential for creating professional-looking and easy-to-read spreadsheets. Wrapping text. Wrapping text means displaying long text within a cell across multiple lines so that all the content is visible without overflowing into adjacent cells. It helps keep your worksheet tidy and readable, especially when entering long headings or notes. Steps to wrap text. Select the cell or range of cells where you want the text to wrap. Go to the Home tab. Click the Wrap Text button in the Alignment group. The text will automatically adjust to fit within the cell's width, wrapping into multiple lines if needed. Rotating text in Excel. Rotating text means changing the direction or angle of text within a cell. This feature is useful for headings or labels, and it helps save space by displaying text vertically or diagonally. Steps to rotate text. Select the cell or range of cells that contain the text you want to rotate. Go to the Home tab. Click the Orientation button in the Alignment group. Choose a text direction, such as angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, or use Format Cell Alignment for custom angles. The text will rotate according to your selection and appear in the chosen direction. This feature enhances your worksheet's appearance and improves readability in compact column spaces. Merging cells in Excel. Merging cells means combining two or more adjacent cells into a single larger cell. This is commonly used to create titles or headings that span across multiple columns, giving your worksheet a clean and organized look. Steps to merge cells. Select the cells you want to merge, usually in the same row or column. Go to the Home tab. Click the Merge and Center button in the Alignment group. Choose one of the following options. Merge and Center merges the cells and centers the text. Merge Across merges cells in each row separately. Merge Cells merges the cells without centering the content. Unmerge Cells splits merged cells back into individual cells. Merging cells is especially helpful when formatting headings or grouping related data under one title. Using the Dialog Box Launcher in Excel. The Dialog Box Launcher is a small arrow icon located in the corner of some groups on the ribbon. Clicking it opens a dialog box with more detailed settings and options. It provides access to advanced formatting features, such as font styles, alignment, borders, and number formats that may not be available directly on the ribbon. Steps to use the Dialog Box Launcher. Go to the Home tab and locate a group such as font, alignment, or number. Look for the small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner of the group. Click the arrow to open the dialog box. Use the advanced options to customize formatting, alignment, or cell protection. Inserting rows and columns in Excel. Inserting rows and columns allows you to add more space for new data without deleting or overwriting existing content. Steps to insert a row. Select the row number below where you want the new row. Go to the Home tab, click Insert in the Cells group, choose Insert Sheet Rows. A new blank row will appear above the selected row. Steps to insert a column. Select the column letter to the right of where you want the new column, go to the Home tab, click Insert in the Cells group, choose Insert Sheet Columns. A new blank column will appear to the left. Inserting cells in Excel. Inserting cells lets you add blank cells at a specific location while shifting existing cells to make space. Steps to insert a cell. Select the cell where you want to insert a new one, go to the Home tab, click Insert drop-down arrow in the Cells group, choose Insert Cells. Select how you want surrounding cells to move, then click OK. Deleting rows, columns, and cells. Deleting unwanted data helps keep your worksheet clean and organized. You can delete entire rows, columns, or just specific cells, depending on your need. Excel also allows you to shift surrounding cells to fill gaps, ensuring the structure of your worksheet remains intact. Autofill in Excel. Autofill is a smart feature that helps you quickly complete data patterns, such as numbers, dates, days, months, or formulas. Steps to use autofill. Enter the first value in a cell, select the cell, drag the small black fill handle from the bottom right corner, release the mouse. Excel fills the pattern automatically. Autofill saves time, reduces errors, and makes repetitive tasks effortless. Formatting cells in Excel. Formatting cells changes the appearance of data, making it more readable and meaningful. You can format text, numbers, borders, and colors to highlight important information and improve presentation. Advanced formatting options are available through the Format Cells dialog box, giving you even more control. Formulas and AutoSum in Excel. A formula is an expression used to perform calculations in Excel. Every formula starts with an equal sign and updates automatically when data changes. The AutoSum feature makes adding numbers quick and easy, perfect for totals in rows or columns. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Great job, everyone! See you next time.